Hello and good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to show you cloud on your server migration service. So I'm going to move my Windows server from one location to another location, which means one region to another region. So what I need to do for that, I need to set up a VPC first, which I have already set up beforehand. Cloud and your VPC with this name. And I have created an internet gateway as well, which is attached to the VPC. Yeah, I have created subnet as well. That is just one public subnet, and route tables as well. So when you click on cloud and your route table, you need to set your routes as well. As default, they are accessible from your within your subnet, but then you need to add to the all traffic to your internet gateway. This also click on subnet association and add. By editing, you have to add it. Also, you need an IAM user to use the cloud and your service. So I have already created this cloud and your user with cloud and your policy attached. Okay. And what else you need is an EC2 server, which is a Windows server I'm going to migrate for this lab. Okay, so let's set up the project now. So you need to log into the cloud endure with your credentials. Sorry, click on the plus sign and give it in name, Windows Server Migration. You can give any name you like. Okay, in order to use this project, you first need to set it up. So what you need to do to set it up is first you need to provide the Amazon Web Services credentials, which I already mentioned, an IAM rule credentials. Then you will need to configure your application service where you will set a source migration, source point of migration and target points of migration. So let's use these credentials. I have it somewhere saved. Give me 1 second. Okay, so access ID. This shouldn't be shown to anyone, but however, I'm going to delete this whole environment after this, so it doesn't matter. And then save this. Okay, so migration source, we are in London region. Okay, and we can take it to Ohio, for example, or any region you like. Where is that? Yeah. AWS US East Ohio region. Replication server, it's your choice what you want to choose, or you can leave default, then it will pick up itself what is the required service. Server here is, then use fast SSD data disk or use slower low cost standard data disk. So I'm going to choose this option in this case. Also cost optimized by dynamically changing data disk type, minimum 125 GB. So I will leave this default while you have various options here. Again, cloud security can cloud endure security, just leave as it is for now. and network bandwidth throttling. You can choose that, but I will disable the for this lab. So save application settings. Okay, congratulations, your migration project is set up. Next step is to install cloud and your agent in your source machine. Source machine means the machine I am migrating to another region. Okay, you can click show me how. This will show you the agent installation token, and however, this is our Windows machine, so we need to download the agent installer for Windows and then launch using this command. Okay, so let's go first to our server and connect to it. Okay, connect. I will use RDP. Also download desktop file, and we have username administrator. Password, we need to get it. This is your server password, prem key. You can decrypt this password and copy this. Okay. Now click on RDP server and put the password here. Okay. So my installer agent is already there. Or what else you could do from clicking on this link, this downloads the agent installer to your machine, and you can just take it to your remote machine and run it. Okay, so let me run this. Okay, enter your cloud installation token now. Okay, let's go back to your cloud and your page, and your agent installation token is this. So just copy from the cloud and your page and paste it to your server. Hit enter. It is now connecting to my cloud and your console. Let's go there on the dashboard. Well, it's still doing something in the background. We will see this in a bit. It is still installing the cloud and your agent in the machine. I am pausing this video for a few minutes and then we'll start again. Now you can see in the cloud in your dashboard page, initial sync has started now. Okay, you can see your server as well, just not ready yet. It will take its time now. I'm going to pause it again and will come back once I am ready to